Yo producers, what's good? Let's talk about more about this mega bundle and why is it actually good for most producers, especially for the beginners. And I'm about to talk all the sounds you can get and how it can save your life, how can they improve your beat making process. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see, I'm here as always in FL Studio, and let's talk about the sounds that can improve your beats and actually save your time, and actually you can improve by making beats and you can understand how beat processing works. So for example, what is very good here, because you can get the MIDI loops, MIDI keys, and you can just drag them here in FL Studio and you can open your favorite VST. For example, if I open Nexus and I'm going to choose my favorite piano here, it's called Soft and Tiny, you can get it. So you can hear, but now I can just drag here one of the MIDI files here, or this one, everything works. Now you can just drag these MIDI files if you are, especially if you are struggling with the melodies, and now you can just drag them up here in your DAW here, and you can actually make your own versions of melodies. And now with this you can improve and you can practice the melodies, how melodies are made. You can practice now beats with this. So as you can see, I got even here, got some no cap piano. Let's hear what this is. We got some counter piano here. We got this one, for example, this one. Very good. This sounds already super fire. Now I can just change one other sound here. You can choose any one of your favorite sounds here. I like this also chill zone here. It's a stock library for Nexus. Now you can just adjust this, and now you can make your own melodies with this one as well. So for example, if I drag this MIDI key here, I can choose one of these drum loops here. I had rolls, we got rolls, kick. We got also the loops in this one. We got percussion loops here, vocal. So basically got tons of the sounds that can help you improve your beats, save actually your time. These are the loops. Let's for example drag this one here and let's test it out with the loop. Now I'm about to adjust this. Let's use stretch mode and let's turn it left to the 17, so it's gonna be 16 bars loop. That simple, guys. So we got two variations of this drum loop, which is pretty good for your arrangement. Again, I'm not gonna repeat because I can again drag MIDI keys and try it with different beats, try with our own drum loops. But now what I can do, I can clone this Nexus, and I can just add my counter melody, so you can come up with your own sounds here. Let's see what we can use. Maybe chill zone 1. It's that simple. It is really simple. Now you can just understand how beat processing works and stuff. You got all these loops here. This one also sounds fire. Oh, this one sounds very good. Let's test it out. So now I can just delete this one. I can just drag this loop and boom, we got a beat. That can work with basically everything here. We got drum loops, we got... Ooh. This one sounds very crazy. Ooh, this one sounds also fire. Something like Drake vibe. I like this one. Let's test it out. Ooh. Let's hear this one. Let's hear this one. So I have just these times here, but as you can see, it's very easy, very simple, especially for the beginners. You can check it out. I'm going to put this link in the description for this mega bundle pack, so you can check it out by yourself and see how actually it is to make the beat, to make beat fast, to make beat easy, and actually help you improve your beat processing, arrangement processing, understand how loops are made just by dragging these MIDI files, listening to another loops, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you next video. Bye.